Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the month of November 2021. Today, I'm only attracting love energies towards me for you because I'm just getting all the love vibes today, romantic vibes today. Okay, so let's get started with your reading. So what is there for my Sagittarius? This is going to be situational based reading. Okay, so if the situation matches with you, please watch your video then only. If it doesn't matches with you, please discontinue watching this video because this is only the guidance for those people who resonates with this reading. Okay, so let's get started with your reading. So I'm attracting your energy and I'll be attracting your person's energy. So how is your person thinking about you right now? For my Sagittarius, how is my Sagittarius person is attracting my is feeling about my Sagittarian, and what exactly is happening, what they cannot say, but how they feel. Okay, so we have a card. Okay, so we have 8 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, and wow, the Chariot. It feels like they really want to work on this relationship. I don't know whether you were separated or this is a new relationship, but whatever this is, they really want to work hard on this thing because yeah, because they want to make this relationship stronger. They want you and they are coming towards you. Okay, Sagittarius, they really want everything to happen just the way they want you. They really feel about you. They are slow, they are working on this relationship, but they might not be showing it too much in front of the people, but yes, they are working somewhere. They might not be showing it to you as well. Okay, so let's attract your energies now. How are you feeling towards your past person? We have 3 of Wands, 6 of Pentacles, and 10 of Wands. You feel really heavily burdened with something. It could be your work as well. It could be something else. You feel that you are not in the senses of in the yeah in a situation where you should be involved into a relationship, although you also want to give a lot of love to your person, but something is weighing you down and something is pressuring you. It could be your family, it could be something else, but you are not able to tell them as well. It feels like you are daily and daily you are going downer and down and down, but you are not able to tell your person how you feel and how things are not going according to the plan, the way they want and you want, because in around you, surrounding you, things are not exactly the same you both have planned for. Your plans and your efforts uh, are not functioning right now. You think something is missing, not in the relationship, but it could be surrounding you. People might also be involved in this thing. So you need to communicate with your person over here, whatever you are feeling bad about, because your person is really ready to do anything for you. If you will not tell exact truth, or if you will try to hide something from them, it will not benefit both of you. It will go against both of you. Okay, tell me about the November energies, please. Okay, so wow, we have the 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Cups, but along with that we have the 4 of Swords. So this is a time which needs to be left alone. So I feel that you need to plan strongly. You really need to be together because both of you want the same thing. Both of you want to get married, but due to some reason you are not able to talk to each other about a certain situation. So at this time, try to not talk too much. If you want to communicate with your person, try to tell them everything what you want, or if not able, so just try to not to take just try not to take any action towards anything. You really need to tell your partner first before taking any decision in regards with other matters of your life, because if you will take any step towards like if you take any step forwards and without discussing to them, it might end up like going against both of you. Tell me more about both of them and both of their energies, Sagittarius and my person and their person. Okay. Two of Pentacles with this with the Page of Swords. It's like there's so much happening in your life that you are really confused what exactly to prioritize first. You are really that this is something which you might be burdening about, which you are putting so much of tension into, and you are really thinking that what to do. You are taking steps really fast, you are making decisions really fast at this time, and which is not at all required. So just think for some time, take a rest in the month of November. This is what is required. Take some rest, go out somewhere, travel somewhere, go to a place which you would love to go, and because you need to prioritize for things first and then take steps to in accordance with that. Planning is required over here. Okay, Nine of Swords is here. So this is a fear of anxiety. Okay, so you might be going through some anxiety issues, and why are you thinking so much, Sagittarius? I don't know, because your partner is with you. If this is your story, please do not go like this, because somebody is there for you, somebody is there and listening to you. So don't feel like no one is trying to help you. Somebody is definitely there to help you. Don't go too much inside the dark secrets and dark things. Okay, give me two more cards for my Sagittarius. Sorry. Two more cards for my Sagittarius. The Sun energy. Wow. And Two of Swords. Again, there's is a not to choose, what to choose, where to go kind of a situation. You have that person around you, Sagittarius. So the suggestion for you in this reading is this only, that in the month of November, try to just be calm, try to not go hyper, try to take a good sleep, and go to some place, like travel or do something which you love, because you really need to just prioritize your situations. For whatever you are confused about, you have to take one thing at a time. Okay, so I think that is all from my side, and if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So I hope this reading helped you. Okay, so that is all from my side, and bye.